Got 3 of them. Why did we get 3?
It's the color.
Mine.
Cover.
Blue and purple look the same. Blue is yours. Don't take off the top. The paper.
See, slowly, RJ.
If you want the big one,
Slowly, RJ.
$99 or $149 for the 10-inch.
Slowly.
Let's see it.
There is blue. That's your favorite color now, blue.
Let me install it.
On, guys?
I want to do something else first, okay? You can do it both ways.
Loading up.
It's going to have us unlock it. Okay,
There it
welcome
is.
to fire.
What you do today,
Today
RJ?
we're unboxing.
Unboxing what?
Let's see it.
No.
What's inside, RJ?
We got Kindle.
Kindles.
The cover.
Fire, what? Fire 8?
Yeah,
Is that RJ?
cover.
This is a what color? Color is it?
Blue.
Is it blue or
They could be both blue.
It's like purple.
That's purple and this is blue. And this one is
so
red.
this one's blue, this one's purple. That one's the same
Yeah.
color.
This one's red.
This one's red.
And this is the iPad.
iPod. It's not iPod.
It's a Kindle. It keeps saying iPad.
Kindle.
This is the Kindle Fire HD
Kindle Fire.
8. 16 gigabyte. Gigabyte? I thought it was 32. We got this on Prime Deal Day on the internet through
Got
Amazon.
3 of them for each of
We
us.
got 3 of them. Going too fast. Box down.
Oh,
Right now, we just
Look
look at
at
one.
that.
We just look at one.
There they are.
there you go.
The iPad.
Okay.
Okay.
We got 3 of them. Why did we get 3? These are $79 each. But on the Prime Day deal, it was $49. And then if you buy 2, you get another $20 off the 2 of them. So in effect, these are $40 each. $40, $40. But this one was $50. Because I'd have to buy another one to get $10 off. So how much is that? $130 for 3 of them. We would much prefer the iPad, but the iPad, we already got one, and to buy another one is going to be in the 400s plus.
Yeah,
this-
expensive.
I'd rather $40
Yeah.
than $450. But the iPad is definitely better than the Kindle, but the Kindle's not bad. 8-inch high definition screen.
Yeah. We gotta open these guys.
We'll go open one. Okay, which one do you want to open?
This one. I'm already opening.
Okay, put these away. Which one's that going to be? Yours?
This
It's
one's
the color.
mine.
Cover.
Blue and purple look the same. Blue is yours.
I got
Okay.
it out of the bag. Who's ready to open this baby?
Let me open it. Okay, so there's a little tab here for opening.
Let's open it first.
There it is.
I open it.
Don't take off the top. The paper.
See, slowly, RJ. Wow.
It comes with the charger.
Have charger?
You have a USB charger. Oh, you can plug it in USB or you can plug it into the wall. So you can plug it into your computer,
Yeah.
your PC computer, or you can do this, which is what we usually use.
These are instructions.
So that's the charger.
Here's the iPad.
There he is. There you go. Nice, RJ.
I thought it would be bigger.
Let me see.
There it is. It's here.
If you want the big one,
Slowly, RJ.
$99 or $149 for the 10-inch.
Slowly, don't
There
hold
it
down.
is.
That's it. Let's hold it up.
Look at that.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, open up the cover.
Cover, RJ.
This is pretty much easy to open.
Decent screen, 8-inch. Want me to get it?
Hard, RJ.
Let me do it, then I'll let you take it out.
I'll get it.
Wait, I just want to see it.
I'm getting the tape out.
Tape was in there? Okay, take it out.
You can see it.
There is blue. That's your favorite color now, blue.
Let me install it.
Give it to Daddy, RJ.
It is. There's the camera.
Don't
See
It
the
is,
camera?
yep.
Right here. It's got Amazon on it.
That's inside.
sit down.
Yeah, this is inside.
I want to see how you turn it on.
It's got a piece of cardboard in here. That's the instructions.
Just pretend.
1,
Two.
2, 3.
Tape on
Sure.
the front.
Nope, that's not right. Put it over here.
Package. There you go.
Snaps, just snaps on. Fits like a
There
glove.
is, nice. See that?
Hold up, get it on the camera.
Yeah, yeah.
On the camera. And then this. Look at the instructions.
I know, I want to try.
Good. Do it.
Oh,
Don't
here
bend
it
it.
is.
Careful.
It is.
There is,
The
nice,
iPad.
RJ.
Let's see. Oh, you have to open it like this. The new version.
That's not right. It's to follow the instructions. In the bottom. It shows it open.
Yeah, like that.
Reflection.
Like that.
Okay.
We'll be holding it in our hand. It will be.
It's weird, RJ.
We don't have it done right.
You just do that. Man,
Yeah, but it doesn't stay.
be careful, RJ. You
It's
pull.
bent out of shape too. Okay, so put this over here.
Yeah.
Open her up.
Take that.
That's how it does it.
That's
The horizontal.
this.
Yeah, that's it.
That back.
So, do you want to tie it on, guys?
I want to do something else first, okay? So you can do it both ways.
Maybe that way. Whatever way.
It's not real sturdy. It's what it is, what it is. So usually we hold it in our hand anyway. So you're gonna open up like this and hold it. Or you're gonna hold it like this. Okay, RJ wants to turn it on. Hold on, let's show the instructions. Hold it up like that. Okay, we can put a SD card in there too, a micro SD. We can do that whenever.
So,
Turn it on.
here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Turn on.
That's the power button, which is on top. And then you have your charging
That's
button, your volume.
Oh.
That's it. No, not, you hold it. You hold it. Don't try to put it standing up.
I hold it. There it is. It's on. Yay. Amazon.
Yep,
Fire.
awesome.
Loading up.
It's gonna have us unlock it. Okay,
There it
welcome
is.
to fire. Okay, so what letters do we want? Real small, medium, or large? Over here where your hand is. The default is in white. The letter size.
Video, honey.
Do this one.
Good. Continue. No, continue down there on the bottom.